today in front of me Honor 15 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here to the more connections. Now as can you see here, we got the NFC section. Just to enable the NFC, click once here on the switcher, and as can you see, the NFC is activated. And now just if you want to turn it off, click here again on the NFC switcher, and that's it. And also we got here the second way how we can do that. You just should open your notification panel, and here as can you see, you should find the NFC icon. But if you have now here the NFC icon, like in my case, you should click here on the edit icon, and here on in this down section we should add this icon to our notification panel. So just hold it for a while and drag it here to add this icon to our notification panel. Now just click here to done. And just to enable NFC now, click here once on the switcher, and by this way you can activate the NFC. And just to turn it off, click here again on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.